Hello, students. We are going to continue on 5.3. This is part 2 or day 2. This is in your green packet on page 116. So we are going to solve inequalities here. Draw a line down the inequality sign. We're trying to get the variable by itself. And again, 90% of the time it's going to be add or subtract first. So we're going to add 2 so that this will go away. Now 3p comes on down here. Negative 29 plus 2, battle or a party? It's a battle. To get p by itself, this is multiplication. Inverse operation is divide. We didn't divide by a negative, so we don't switch the sign. Even though this is negative, that doesn't matter. It's the number you divide by down here. So p is less than or equal to negative 9. I usually put 0 on my graph, negative 9. It's or equal to, so more ink there, more ink here, which means it's part of the solution set, and then there you go. Okay, now we're going to go on to number 5. I wanted to do one of the more challenging ones, and this is very challenging, many steps to get this. First one, I'm going to make this a plus a negative 7. So 7n, negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. Negative 7, and when nothing is there, that's a 1. So negative 7 times negative 1n. Okay, now after distributive, we're going to combine like terms. See how we have 7n and 7n on the same side of the equation? So we can add those together and get 14n minus 7 is less than or equal to negative 91. Then we're going to add 7 here. Now we're to our 2 steps here. Negative 91 plus 7, I think that's negative 84. Divide by 14. Okay, I did not divide by a negative number. Even though that's negative, it doesn't matter. It's which number's on the bottom and whether that bottom one is negative. It's not, so we don't switch the sign. Now we can take our handy dandy calculator and go 84 divided by 14. And I'm not going to worry about the signs because I know negative divided by positive, my answer has to be negative. So that's 6. So I make sure I put negative 6. Draw my number line. It's or equal to. All right. Maybe I'll do one more. 6 looks like it's kind of challenging. Let me go ahead and do 6 for you. Okay, so we've got a couple of them that we're going to have to do distributive property with. And I'm going to make this plus a negative 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. V. Negative 6 times times 7 is negative 42V. Negative 6 times 6 is negative 36. Greater than or equal to negative 42. Now we're going to combine like terms right here and here. So a positive 30 and a negative 42. Battle or a party? It's a battle, so we subtract negative 12V. Now we also have negative 36 and a positive 6. We're going to combine those two. If they're on the same side, one has a negative and positive. Is that a battle or a party? It's a battle. We have to subtract. When we subtract, the negative wins the battle, so it's minus 30. Now we're going to add 30 to both sides. Okay, I'm going to let you finish the rest of this because it's doable from here, and then I can come around and check. You can get the rest, students. You rock.